Hey, this is Adrian Fosse with the Columbia New Home Buyer Team in Columbia, South Carolina. Today we're doing a video tour of the Brunswick floor plan built by Hurricane Builders, one of the larger, more successful builders in the greater Columbia area. They're always innovative. They were one of the first to include stone accents on the front, tankless hot water heaters. So I'll point out the items that they do that's a little bit different, a little bit better than the rest. This is the Brunswick, as I said. It's a 2,850 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The one we're going to see today is priced in the 180s. This house could be had between the 170s and into the low 200s when it's all brick. So it's a whale of a deal. And let's go ahead and take a closer look. One of the things that Hurricane Builders is proud of that they do is they do this concrete stamp on the front of their driveways. It's something different, a little character. It's pretty neat. Also side lights and a beautiful door. This house is under construction, so you'll notice there's a few items that still need to be done, but this house can be ready as quickly as you can get the cash. So you're greeted here by smooth ceilings, upgraded lighting, archways, wood faux blinds, 2-inch wood faux blinds. All right, this is a combination formal area right here. This would be your formal living room, formal dining room, and you'll notice right away this has hardwoods in the entire downstairs other than a bedroom downstairs. That's something this builder typically does. It's in the price. This is a standard feature. Another item that's really innovative, that's now a standard feature on 2-story houses by Hurricane Builders, is this beautiful wood tread steps with the wrought iron posts. Just incredibly beautiful. Okay, actually I'm going to back out right here. I'm going to show you that there's a half bath here. The mirror is framed, that's pretty neat. Here is a tiled laundry room. There's no electricity here, so I'm using the light on my camera. So that's the reason for that. So pretty good size. All right, this is the garage right here. Insulated door, tall ceilings. And you'll notice on the wall there, that's for the automatic sprinkler system. And you'll notice there's no hot water heater in here. Tankless hot water heater, standard. All right, so when you walk in from the garage, you've got the half bath and the laundry room. All right, so let's take a closer look. Downstairs, really large family room, great room with this tall ceiling. Kitchen looks over a really large eat-in kitchen there. Granite countertops, standard. Deep sink, standard. Beautiful cabinetry. Now, it does come with a microwave and a stove and a dishwasher standard. But guess what? Their new standard, stainless steel. So incredible. All right, so this is looking back towards the front door and looking into the formals. And we're going to pan around to get another angled look into the kitchen. Something else this builder does, included in the price that no one else is doing right now, that's blinds on all windows. All right, get a load of this. This is why we call it the great room. Beautiful. Can you imagine your family in here? This is a beautiful home. Hey, also too, in this neighborhood, it varies by neighborhood sometimes, but in most of their bigger homes, covered porch standard. Covered porch standard. Beautiful concrete pad right there with the brick accents. All right, in this home, the master's on the first floor. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Keep the kitties upstairs. Normally, when you have masters on the first floor on two-story houses, the master's pretty small, but this is a beautiful, large master with a bay window and a tray ceiling. This home can be built throughout Columbia, Northeast Columbia, Lexington, Irmo, everywhere you want to be. You can either have one built, build times vary, but around the 4-month range, or you can purchase one that's already been built. Like this one right here is available. All it needs is just a little bit of touch up. All right, granite countertops again. Tall ceilings in this one, and just what everybody wants. You've got a stand-up shower with a little seat right there, and a garden tub. All right, and a very large master closet. You can definitely fit a king-size bed in here. Heck, you can have a couch too, it looks like. It's big enough for that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. A great thing about buying a new home is you get an opportunity before you close to meet with the builder to point out any blemishes that might be on the wall, any concerns, drawers that stick a little bit or whatnot. You get an opportunity to point all those things out before closing. Now this is almost a little mini loft right here. You can put a little table, a little bench, a desk. Then after the closing, you get a 1-year door-to-door warranty. This is really wide open right here. Great use of space, just enough. 3 bedrooms over here in a full bath, and the bedrooms are massive. Another large bedroom here. And another one, this one's really bright with 3 windows. And then a full bath, granite countertops again. Tile in the bathrooms. In the laundry room, Amazing value. And here's the drama for the catwalk. Again, this has been Adrian Fosse with the Columbia New Home Buyer Team in Columbia, South Carolina. We don't represent the builders, but we represent the buyers of new homes. It ensures you get the best deal and the best representation. You can find us online at columbianewhomebuyer.com. Be sure to check out our other videos and information about the latest deals on new homes in the greater Columbia area. And hope you enjoyed this one.